Okay, so if I'm so ready to do nightlife kit. Let me go get the book. Actually, screw it. I know how to do it. In the world of the gray, and I can't find a reason. And the world of the way, it's killing me unwillingly, and I am just the same as you. I was listening to that song, by the way. The world of away, and I gave her the reason, and the world turns away. It is killing me unwillingly, and I am just the same as you. I know I know what album it's on, but I don't know what the song is. The world turns gray, I think. I don't know. First and foremost, I'm gonna do the duct tape. That's for the extra. So let me find this. Like I have. Dude, where'd it go? Seriously. Oh, here. Wait, is this it? Oh, no. This is duct brand duct tape. Oh, I lost this. Like this one. It was like under a chair. Like a bar chair thing. So. When the world turns gray and I can't find a reason. Yeah, I figure that they're not gonna freaking come today anyway. But whatever. Now this is for like the extra if I have to um like oh no, I need medical. Cut open. Jump. So yeah. It's killing me unwillingly and I am just the same as you. Go away, da-da-da. It's all the same. Da-da-da. It's all I'm getting a big piece. Cause you don't know. This should be it. Let me just oh no, don't do this. If you can cut a branch, you can cut this. But yeah, this is what you do. You basically all you do is you lay it like this, and then like dent, 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 dent. Have like an actual thing like this. Bam. Bing bang boom. To the room. Okay, then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do anyway. I'm gonna undo this port to where that is. I'm gonna get the striker and I'm probably gonna put in this too, just because. But first, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to tape like that. Tape like how I'm about to do. Wow, I can actually see this one. Because it's orange. Yes, I know orange. But guess what? You don't know. Plus, I'm for a brighter one anyway. So, yeah. Wanna get her. Don't worry, that's just a spam call. It's not gonna bother me. Go away, it's all the same. What's all them beauty queen getting high on Revlon? I wanna be the magazine that she based her life on. I wanna get her monthly run. By the way, I have this. I might add I'm gonna add another one. You know what? I'm gonna add another one if I can find them. I have extra bags, all that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get the strike route because there's a ferro rod on mine, on my thing, on the this. As you can see, you got nothing to say. You got bills to pay. You got no one to hate except for me. Dun, 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 dun. There's so many bangers on that album too. I think it's Disclaimer 2. Disclaimer 1 had the same ones. So this is supposedly biotender. So we're gonna add, okay, this. Actually, I'm gonna add this on the next layer. I'm gonna do by layers. First, the condom. Got nothing to say. She got bill to pay. Got no one to hate. Ever me. Dun, 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 dun. Do it like this. To where it's like. To where this is like this on the front. And then what you do, you pull it off. It don't have to be perfect. My other one wasn't perfect. She got nothing to say. She got bills to pay. She got no one to hate. Except for me. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I can't have. Now, what you're doing is you're actually putting it like this. First layer. Okay. I'm going to try to have all the first layer on. Okay. It's okay, this can actually do that. What we're doing is we're putting the condom on the back. Getting high on Revlon. Wanna be the magazine that she wastes her life on. In some versions of that, Tom Morgan sings that she, you know, adult activity on. No, it's okay if you mess up a little bit. It's okay because if this is your first time doing this, it's actually the second time for me. Okay, got that. Then let's put on the. Where'd it go? Oh wait, I had to. Oh wait, yeah. I do have it. I do have a space for this. Yeah, you have to have a space for this to go in. There we go. Space to go in. She's getting high on Revlon. I wanna be the magazine that she wears her life on. Where is the... Where'd it go? Oh. Let me put this right here. Like this. What this does is it... Okay. Have that. So here, it's okay for this. It's okay. It's more than a cat. Then what I'm gonna do, put this, the fire tender, right here. Hold this. I wanna read a magazine that you made a laugh on. Wanna waste somebody, wanna get some more love. Wanna get some gasoline and burn a hat down. Da, 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 da. Got nothing to say, bills to pay. Now I'm doing a cheapo one. Now let's do one here. Huh? That should be able to come out easily and come back in. Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and just. We don't have to do it all the way on the bottom. So you're gonna worry about that. But what we have to do, that's okay. Get to here. Okay? Then we get to here. Got nothing to say. You got bills to pay. Got no one to hate it for me. Now what I do is I reverse and put duct tape like this. Now where did the lighter go? Okay. I did a cheaper one so you can actually see. You can put this in here at the bottom. Have a little bit of tape on that. Then what I do is I do this. And I do that. Yeah, you're using a lot of duct tape, but guess what? Duct tape, very handy. What I'm doing is I'm just doing this. Basically what I'm doing is I'm getting the rest of this with just that duct tape. And now I have an actual good one. It's okay if it doesn't look great. Because guess what? You're not going to be like Cody Lundin because he has done his for a while. Nothing to say. And then I'm going to do this. And this. Now, I could actually, since this one comes with a sheath like this, this one, I could do this one as a neck knife kit too. Who wants me to do that as a neck knife too? It's actually a really, really good thing. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do an extra one just to, you know. Zevo me da 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 da. Now you don't have to worry. I could buy another thing of duct tape when I go to Walmart again, which would be, I don't know. It'll be sometime. No, I'm doing this with a knife. I probably wouldn't, but I have situational awareness, so yeah. Then just do this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of duct tape right here, and bam, we have a neck knife kit. Nice. Nice. If I... Okay, what? The crap... Oh. By the way, these are a pain in the butt to do. Because you have to do this. What we'll do... Let me put a little bit of duct tape around this. Okay? It's okay. I'm going to have to anyway. So yeah, we have an extra thing of duct tape. Got bills to pay. I don't wanna hate for me. This is only so it doesn't come off. And I prefer it because, hey. Because if this drops. Ha! By the way, I did the. That one. Then we're going to do the other side. Because God knows it's going to freaking do it too. This is a really good knife. I sharpen this really nice. Now don't do what I'm doing. Because you could hurt yourself. You really could. I wanna be your magazine that you base a life on. Wanna get some of my love. Wanna get some of my love. As you see, we use more of this, but that's okay. We weren't going to use this at all. So yeah, and I have a good quality neck knife kit. So yeah. I'm going to throw all this away, all the trash away. Let's put this on top of that. And then this one on top of that. Luckily, this has color coded. And all we gotta do, okay, I will have to get the one thing. So yeah, this is how mine looks. It's okay. You want to have this so it comes out. That's okay. That's what you're supposed to do. And you see, it's in there pretty good. And there we go. A neck knife kit. This is going to last a long time, so yeah. So yeah, neck knife kit. Heck yes. Anyway, that was the neck knife kit. And how I did it. Okay? Remember, when you use this, do it to where this side is against the knife, the sheath. And then jump. Right. So yeah. Anyway. If you want me to do a neck knife kit for this knife, since it comes with this type of sheath, I can. All you gotta do is like and comment. Peace.